Hi everyone, this is Manuel Calderon from the WellMed Foundation here in Miami, Florida, and this video is to give you some tips about how to do your workout properly with your resistance bands and how to take care of your bands to maximize the lifetime of this useful tool that we use in your activity center, even at home, or in your community gym. All right, so try to keep your bands in a very nice room temperature between 70 to 75 degrees area, and also do not put heavy objects on your bands because that can break your band even in a way that you can't see in a plain view. All right, so try to keep it in a very open area. If it's hanging like this, it could be the ideal way to take care of your bands without anything over putting pressure on the composition, the rubber composition. All right, so also to avoid any injury, like while you're using your bands and suddenly could break and hit your skin or even your eye, try to avoid that. While you are not overextending your bands. Usually one of the mistakes commonly made by the users are shortening the original design of the band to gain more resistance while using a short area of the tool instead of using the whole length designed by the manufacturer. Okay, so try to use it in a proper way using a safe and stable anchor and using a tight simple tie like this one. Just create a loop on the one of the extremes over here and passing both handles through that loop, creating this anchor that will be very safe and not putting a lot of pressure in the areas where the handles are. Okay, so while you are using your rubber bands, remember, use a safe anchor to tie your bands. Do not make your bands shorter in order to gain more resistance, and keep those bands in a fresh room where the heat or the cold do not affect the original composition of the material, which is the rubber. Okay, if you want to gain more resistance with your bands, use the stacking position, which is placing two bands in a parallel position, creating the same anchor that I showed before, and then starting your workout in a safety way. Okay, with this technique, the stacking position, you can gain more resistance even if one of the bands are manufactured in a more heavier resistance than the other one. Okay, so these are the tips by the moment on how to use properly your bands and how to take care of it. More information is coming in the future, so until the next one, thank you very much.